Hi, I'm in Oslo today. I will be going around the capital of Norway, show you the city and approximate cost of living. Enjoy!
The first thing I would love to mention about Oslo is that it's a super green city. You can find a big park in the middle of the city, and buildings covered by trees or plants are a common sight in Oslo. Prices are higher, of course, if I compare it to Budapest. For example, for breakfast I had tea and a pastry called wienerbröd, which cost me 90 kroner. By the way, Norway is not in the EU and in Eurozone, so they don't use euro. Another interesting thing is that almost everything in the country is based on a trust system. You can find, for example, open flower shops without salespeople where you can get whatever you want and pay online to the business account. Or, for example, clothes shop where you can again take items and send money to the owner online. What I have noticed is that people love books in this country. Shops are everywhere. They have even transformed old telephone booths into small free libraries where you can take a book and donate books if you wish. Here you can see the Deichman Library, one of the biggest libraries in Europe. Remember the trust system? Well, here anyone can enter the library, work there, borrow a book to read, buy something from the library's cute shop, or just sit and enjoy the view. I got a postcard from the shop to send to my friend in Italy. Another well-known place in Oslo is the Opera House, and you can see it here. It's super modern, and again, anyone can enter it and use its facilities. Public transportation is quite developed but expensive. For example, a single ticket costs 42 kroner. For this money, I get monthly pass in Budapest as a student. Everyone talks about Swiss chocolate, but you have to try Norwegian chocolate. It's one of the best chocolates I have ever tasted. You can see the Norwegian company Fryer here, and when you come to Norway, be sure to taste their chocolate. For lunch, I had sushi in a nice restaurant in the city center. For a set of sushi and beans, for two, we paid 700 kroner. As they say, there is always room for dessert, as desserts go to the heart, not the stomach. So we went to a highly recommended place called Creamy to get waffles. Oh, it was super delicious. For dinner, we got fried chicken, but I forgot to film it, of course. So here you can see just the price. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little trip to Oslo and see you in my next videos.